Hey everybody, today I want to go through this building right here. So you guys have not seen this building entirely yet. We've kind of had it in the videos before, but we never actually went through what happens in this building. You guys may know that our chickens are right here. So this is where we keep our chickens and their coops and stuff. But right here, what do we do in here? I took the lock off already so I could show you guys. So this is part of the trailer building room. So this is where we have all of our wood. Let me get the lights open a little bit. So here is all the wood that we have. We have a huge stack. This is, I don't know, 1.5 feet of wood. Just on this stack, it's 1.5 feet of wood. And this one's like at least 2.5 feet of wood. It's just a bunch of different wood. We have base. These are for the base of the trailers that get coated and sealed for the underside. These are wall pieces. So one side of the wall is unfinished and the other side has a polyurethane coating. Let me see if I can show you guys that. Move some of these things around. We have some scrap pieces of aluminum as well, and we sometimes have people come by to pick them up, or we recycle them as well. So we try to not have too much waste. And you can kind of see it's a little shiny. There's not much light here right now, but that's the polyurethane side, or they call it UV coating. And then we have a stack of aluminum. So this is all different type of aluminum that we have. Here's the backside of a diamond plate. Really nice and shiny. And we have just a huge stack of different sheets. We have a yellow one. We're going to be doing a yellow trailer very, very soon. Probably by the time you see this video, we may have already built it. Because I don't know when I'm going to be uploading this video in particular. We got a nice blue. I think we have a silver as well. Yeah, there's a silver. We're doing a bunch of new different colors soon, so that's going to be awesome. We got some of the cutting tools we have. Just a bunch of empty boxes up there. Some more spare pieces of wood go up there. The pieces that we use. And this is our cutting table. So you got some of you guys that have visited our shop before. In New Jersey have seen these tables before. We actually built these tables ourselves because no one really sells the type of stuff that we need, and because we're already handy with woodworking and stuff, we kind of know what we need as well. We make it ourselves. So this one has locking wheels, and you could lock it in place and unlock it. The top of this one is a straight piece of wood, so it doesn't have any holes, but we have a second table as well. I think it was outside. Yep, it's right there. So we have a second piece of wood, which is more like a frame, so we use that for cutting pieces of wood as well, and we use it for painting the pieces that we're painting. So you can see it's got a little bit of a paint on there already. But this is the frame where we could cut stuff on. We build the wood metal frame on there as well. So yeah, that's the stuff that we keep in this area. So this is basically all wood and big sheets of wood and aluminum and small sheets. We got a little fan built in for taking out any of the dust that we have from cutting the wood. And all those woods, once they're all cut, they come right onto the trailer. So that's kind of where the process of building a trailer begins. So we also build our own frame, and we'll start welding it inside there. And then once the wood's cut and the frame is built, they'll basically come together. I don't know if I showed you guys back here before, but this is our compost pile. We don't put any food compost in here, because any food we usually just give to the chickens. They love like tomato. They love like lemons, eggshells, that sort of stuff. They love that, so we give it to them usually. And this we keep for like wood compost. Like we have wood chips from some bushes and stuff we cut down. We have a little Christmas tree that we had that kind of ended up dying. Some of the plants that we pulled out, like some of the corn, is in here, and it's just composting. So we're going to use that for the garden for this coming year. Here's where we kept the baby chicks before. So this entire area was grass, and they actually just moved indoors. So since the nights are getting a little colder, it's like 40 degrees at night, they actually just started moving indoors next to the big chickens. And now the grass is going to start growing back there. But they've dug up that place so much. Some of the holes there are really big, and for the size of the chicken, they dig really amazing holes. Now, one thing you guys might have noticed, and let me see if I could actually take it up a little bit closer, are these little foil flag type things. So they're kind of hanging and flying everywhere. And we also have those little silver spinning things. All those are to keep from a hawk from attacking our chicken. We have this one hawk that seems to really enjoy our chickens, and he swoops in and tries to take them. We last caught one of the baby chicks basically as the hawk was flying away with it. I think one of the roosters attacked the hawk, trying to save the other chickens. And now one of the baby chickens it's not doing too well, but it's not doing bad either. He's in there eating food right now. There's another baby chick, but the hawk lands right in there, and if the chickens don't notice it, he'll just grab them. So we have this tinfoil stuff. I mean, it's not really tinfoil, but it's like shiny holographic paper. It's really shiny, and apparently that's supposed to deter hawks. So far, I'm not sure how well it works. We had the hawk come back once, but before it used to come back every single day. Like every single day, it would fly around. If it saw an opportunity, it would land. But I think recently it's been a little bit better. The hawk was here yesterday, but I think he didn't end up landing. The chickens kind of were aware of it as well, so they do a really good job themselves of knowing what's going on. So it's I'm pretty happy with that, at least. I never showed you guys this small garden here, so let me show you guys that as well, and then we should be good for this video. So this is one small garden that we have. It's kind of all over the place because we never really had time to organize this one that much, and now the chickens have went inside and kind of overrun it because the door has broken basically. But here we have some peppers. They're still working on growing. We still actually have some bell peppers on there. We got some eggplant, and we got some cherry tomatoes, which we actually have some red ones that we could start picking. Let me see. Yeah, we got some nice ones actually, so I'll probably pick those after the video. And then we have some strawberries. I think what we're going to end up doing is just turning this into an entire strawberry patch. So here's a strawberry right here. They were just planted in the corners, but the way strawberry grows is it will expand, and it will kind of grow its own leaves and stuff, make new roots, and they call them runners. So here's another strawberry plant in that corner. So we're thinking we'll probably end up taking over, which is, at this point, it's fine by us. And then we have some more strawberries here, but we didn't plant these, so I believe the previous owner of the house must have planted them. because we're still, kind of discovering what's at the house and what was planted here and whatnot. So yeah, that's the or the middle garden rather. It's pretty small. We're thinking of just keeping it as like a spice garden, so having like thyme, oregano, rosemary, that sort of stuff. But we might just end up making it into a strawberry patch. Just kind of depends on the situation. I think what we want to plant. So that's it for this video. If you guys like these videos, it's another laid back day. We're kind of enjoying the garden, building some more trailers. We're just cutting up some wood. Like and subscribe. We're doing these videos daily. If you want to see something new, let us know what you want to see and we'll shoot a video of it. And if you guys have any ideas for what we could plant in this garden, definitely let us know. We'd love to hear about it. And maybe we'll plant something new and try it out. And we'll definitely shoot videos of it too. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.